January of 2017, I was 4 months behind on my mortgage, 4 months behind on my car payment, about to lose both of them. Then I came across your videos, and I got to tell you, you've got the best stuff out there. And I made enough money in February from selling roofs that I've got it all caught up.
Hell yeah.
Just a huge blessing.
Yeah.
And I've followed your stuff. I read your stuff all the time. I love it. I got 4 free nuggets from you that totally changed my game up. One of them was why not to do a bid on an RCV.
Yeah.
Totally changed it. I'm at like 235 roofs now. I've been turned down twice.
Yeah. Those are great numbers.
My record's 7 in a day. I did that 2 days in a row, and I got 19 for that week.
That's awesome.
I love it. I love doing this. It's just like one after another. Bam, 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 bam.
Yeah.
Bam. This year I've got so many referrals coming in that it's been really cool. I haven't had to do a whole lot of door knocking. I wound up networking with 5 different realtors.
Nice. And that's going to allow you
to get all your stuff. I want to get all your stuff. I'm telling you that, and this is what I kept telling the owner of the company I'm at now. I said, if I can increase the amount of money that I bring in off of 4 little free nuggets, think of what her stuff she's selling's going to have.
Right.
and it just, I wanted to bang my head against the wall because he kept putting it off, but then he'd say, well, go out and get some more.
Yeah. That's just somebody, some people don't understand the idea of an investment, right? Which is like, yes, I'm going to spend a little bit of money today, but that's going to help me triple my output. Like, that money, especially when you look, this industry, it's so easy to look at your return because it's like every single job is another $1,500 in my pocket. So do I believe that I could get 3 more jobs using this or 1 more job using this training for the whole year? Well, you should be getting 1 more probably every week if you're improving your sales skills. So the numbers really, it's an immediate return on investment.